Good morning, friends. Today in the early morning, I gave an assignment in grammar. Actually, what happens that in spoken and written English, often we come across certain grammatical items which we speak or write, incorrectly because we are not frequently in the use of those things, or sometimes we do not take care of the mistakes that we commit often in writing in. So let us have this exercise. The questions that I gave were in correction of the sentence, that is spotting error or corrected the following sentence. Like the first one was, he returned back after I was away from home. Actually, returned means came back. So there is no need of returned back. Either it will be he returned after I was away from home, or he came back. Simple past followed by another simple past. So he came back when I was away from home, or he returned while I was away from home. Both are correct. Both are correct. Simple past followed by simple. He came back. He came back means return, and return doesn't take back because it is superfluous. So the right answer is he came back while I was away from home, or he returned while I was away from home. Both are correct. Second one, he is too glad to meet you. This is a wrong answer. He is very glad to meet. Actually, T is an adverb. Whenever we use TW adverb, that has to qualify a verb, or it will be used in the complex sentence, like he is too glad to express his feeling. That will be another way. So the right answer is he's very glad. He's very glad to meet you. It is very hot to play cricket. It is too hot to play cricket. That is the right answer. When Aman felt little hungry and thirsty, he cried for help. Actually, here little doesn't make a positive sense. The right answer is when Raman felt a little hungry and thirsty. A little hungry and thirsty is positive. That means whenever Raman felt even a little hungry and thirsty, he cried for help. So the right answer is when Aman felt a little hungry and thirsty, he cried for help. As the child came late, lately is that means lately means late, recently, late. Actually, the sense is late. जब वो late आया. So when the child came late, he was punished. Lately means recently. Lately I have met him. Recently I have met him. That is the meaning of lately. And late means not on time. He is very obliged to. Actually, whenever you use a past participle, obliged, it is a past participle. So it should be preceded by much. He is much obliged to you, or he is too obliged to you. The right answer is he is much obliged to you. Obliged is in past participle form, and past participle is always preceded by much. That news was much distressing. Actually, much is always used before past participle, and very is used before present participle. Distressing is present participle. Like interesting, this book is very interesting. So very interesting, here interesting is present participle. Similarly, distressing is present participle. So it has to be preceded by very. So the right answer is that news was much distressing will be replaced by very distressing. That news was very distressing. That book is very interesting. That matter is quite interesting. Never use much before present participle. Use much before past participle. Like I was much delighted to hear about your promotion. I forbade her not to enter. Forbade itself is negative. That means ask somebody not to do something. So don't use not with forbade because it will be double negation. So the right answer is I forbade her to enter the room. I forbade her means I asked her not to enter the room. That is the negative sense. The rain suddenly began to fall. The rain suddenly began to fall. Actually, when we are using an adverb before a verb, it will qualify the verb. So began is a verb. So the right answer is the rain suddenly began to fall. Suddenly is an adverb which qualifies the verb began. Did go there? Of course will not be used. Certainly will be used here. It is not making a sense. Did she go there? Certainly she did. She went there or she did. So in place of course, use certainly. She did not come back timely. She did not come back timely. She did not come back timely. It is the right answer. I am comparatively better today. Comparatively is in its comparative form. So we should not use better two comparative senses together. The better answer is I am comparatively well today or I am better today. Either I am better today or I am comparatively well today. You cannot use better and comparatively together. So the right answer will be I am comparatively well today. That so certain things that we have to keep in mind. One is that using return, never use back with return. Number one. Number two, whenever you use a present participle, it has to be preceded by very. Like this book is very interesting to read. By anyone. He was much obliged to go there. He was much obliged. Obliged is past participle. It has to be preceded by much. And the third one that I said that comparatively itself is in use as a comparative sense. So comparatively better is not together. Two comparatives cannot be in the same sense. So the right answer is I am comparatively well today or I am better today. Either I am better today or I am comparatively well today. Much has to be used before past participle, and very has to be used before present participle. So that is how we have concluded today's discussion. Like he is much interested in you. Interested is in past participle, so it will be preceded by much. These are the things that I wanted to discuss in my assignment, and I'm sure that will comfort you to understand the correction of sentences. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. This is